wondered what happens when you eat only apples for a week? Well, welcome to the world of the apple diet. It's a trend that's been on the rise, capturing the attention of health seekers and Weight Watchers alike. And why not? The promise of rapid weight loss is hard to resist, especially when it's tied to the humble apple. Apples, as we know, are packed with benefits. They're a good source of dietary fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied. They're also rich in essential vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin A, not to mention their low calorie count. It's like nature's own little health package wrapped in a beautiful, crunchy exterior. But as with everything in life, there's always a flip side. While the apple diet may seem like a quick fix to shed those extra pounds, we need to ask the important question. But is it as healthy as it sounds, or is it too good to be true? Apples are healthy, no doubt, but what does science say about surviving solely on apples? Let's dive into the research. When we talk about restrictive diets, such as an apple-only regimen, science warns us of some potential pitfalls. Firstly, there's the issue of nutrient deficiency. Apples, while packed with fiber and vitamin C, lack many other essential nutrients like proteins, fats, and several vitamins and minerals. This means that an apple-only diet could leave your body craving more. Secondly, a diet lacking variety can lead to decreased immune function. Our immune system thrives on a diverse range of nutrients, so when you limit your nutrient intake, you're also limiting your body's ability to fight off illness. Lastly, let's talk about potential digestive issues. An overload of fiber from apples can cause digestive discomfort, including bloating, gas, and even constipation. So it turns out that an apple a day might keep the doctor away, but an apple-only diet could actually bring the doctor closer. So if apples alone don't make the cut, what does a balanced diet look like? Well, imagine a rainbow. Each color represents a different type of food that your body needs to function at its best. At one end, you have your fruits and vegetables. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fibers. Moving along the spectrum, we have proteins. Think lean meats, eggs, and legumes. They're like the building blocks for your body, helping to repair and build tissues. Then there's whole grains. They're not just a source of energy, but they also provide essential nutrients like B vitamins and fiber. And let's not forget about healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and fish. They help absorb vitamins and protect your heart. It's the combination of these different nutrients that contribute to our overall health and well-being. The key to health isn't in a single type of fruit, but in a colorful variety of foods. So, should you take a bite out of the apple diet? Let's recap what we've learned so far. The apple diet, despite its appeal, lacks substantial scientific backing. While apples are indeed packed with nutrients, relying solely on them for nourishment is not only unsustainable but potentially hazardous. Remember, an apple a day might keep the doctor away, but a diet solely consisting of apples can usher in a host of health problems. Nutrient deficiencies and an unhealthy relationship with food are just a couple of the risks you might be signing up for. The key to a healthy diet isn't about extreme restrictions or magic weight loss solutions. It's about balance. It's about incorporating a variety of foods, rich in different nutrients, to nourish our bodies and minds. So by all means, enjoy your apples, but don't let them be the only food on your plate. In the end, the apple diet might not be the magic weight loss solution it's often made out to be. Remember, a healthy diet is about balance, not restriction.